Looking to stay active without hitting the gym? Walking pad treadmills are the perfect solution for home or office workouts. Compact, quiet, and efficient, they let you walk, jog, or even run while working or relaxing. Here are the top 5 best walking pad treadmills that combine innovation, comfort, and performance to help you meet your fitness goals anywhere, anytime. Number 1. Urevo Smart 2-in-1 Walking Pad Treadmill. The Urevo Walking Pad Treadmill is a versatile and compact fitness solution, ideal for both home and office use. Its double shock absorption system includes a spacious 15-inch by 40.1-inch track, 5-layer anti-slip belt, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 soft rubber pads. This thoughtful design ensures a comfortable walking or running experience while effectively minimizing joint impact and protecting your knees. This 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill operates in 2 modes, a walking mode, 0.6 to 4 miles per hour, for desk use, and a running mode, 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. Speed adjustments are easy with the included remote control, which also features a 1-key mute function and built-in magnets for convenient storage. Powered by a quiet 2.25 HP motor, it supports users up to 265 pounds without disturbing your household or co-workers. The Urevo Sport app provides access to workout reports and progress tracking, catering to users of all fitness levels. The multifunction LED display shows time, steps, speed, distance, and calories, helping you stay informed in real time. For optimal performance, apply lubricant every 125 miles and use it on a level, hard surface. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, the Urevo treadmill combines functionality, comfort, and value. Number 2. Sperax Vibration Walking Pad Treadmill. The Sperax Walking Pad Treadmill offers a versatile fitness solution perfect for those looking to stay active at home or in the office. This 3-in-1 treadmill combines walking, under-desk running, and a unique vibration massage mode, allowing users to unwind with a 5-minute full-body massage after workouts. Powered by a 2.5 HP servo motor, it delivers smooth, whisper-quiet operation at speeds ranging from 0.2 to 3.8 miles per hour and supports up to 350 pounds. Its noise level stays below 45 dB, making it ideal for shared spaces or quiet environments. The treadmill's LED display and Sperax Fitness app allow you to track key metrics like calories, speed, time, and distance in real time, helping you tailor your fitness journey with precision. What sets it apart are the 4 vibration intensity levels designed to improve reflexes, promote calorie burn, and reduce muscle fatigue, enhancing recovery while supporting overall wellness. Weighing only 27 pounds and measuring 39 by 21 by 3.5 inches, the treadmill is highly compact and portable, making it easy to slide under a desk, bed, or sofa when not in use. The Sperax walking pad delivers convenience, performance, and recovery, all in one sleek design. Number 3. Lichico Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. The Lichico Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill is an ideal solution for those seeking a quiet, low-impact, and space-saving way to stay active throughout the day. Powered by a 2.5 HP brushless motor, it ensures whisper-quiet operation, eliminating the overheating and noise issues often associated with brushed motors. This makes it perfect for home offices or shared spaces where silence is essential. Designed with dual shock absorption, it features a suspended shock-absorbing deck and a high-performance TPR cushioning pad to minimize strain on your joints. This thoughtful construction helps reduce impact on ankles and knees, supporting injury-free workouts and joint health. With a speed range of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour, it suits various fitness levels, whether you're walking while working or jogging during breaks. Its lightweight, compact frame and 2 front wheels make it easy to move and store under desks, sofas, or in small corners, optimizing your home space. Backed by a 2-year protection plan and responsive customer support, the Lichico Walking Pad offers both performance and peace of mind. It's a smart, adaptable fitness tool for anyone looking to maintain a healthy routine without compromising on space or quiet. Number 4. Trailviber Walking Pad Treadmill. The Trailviber Walking Pad Treadmill stands out with its innovative 9-level auto incline feature, offering a true 6 degrees incline up to 12%, simulating uphill walking to burn up to 3 times more calories than flat treadmills. Whether you're walking, jogging, or climbing indoors, it brings the challenge of hiking straight into your home or office. Built for strength and stability, it boasts a 450 pounds weight capacity supported by a 2.5 HP powerful yet silent motor, enhanced with an external fan for cooling and a long 15,000-hour lifespan. The triple cushioned structure, including a double-deck frame for upgraded silicone shock absorbers and a 5-layer anti-slip belt, offers superior joint protection, making it perfect for long-term use without strain. This treadmill features a large RGB LED screen with 6 color options to clearly display speed, time, distance, calories, and incline level. A one-button light-off function adds convenience. The speed range of 0 to 4.0 miles per hour supports walking to light running. Despite its power and size, it's designed for compact spaces, easily fitting under desks, sofas, or beds. With exceptional 24/7 customer service and mileage tracking, the Trail Viber delivers performance, versatility, and support in one sleek, space-saving package. Number 5. TreeFlow Walking Pad Treadmill. The TreeFlow Walking Pad Treadmill is a smart, space-saving fitness solution designed to elevate your workouts with a unique 0 to 8% incline adjustment. This feature enhances fat burning and calorie consumption, replicating the effects of climbing for more efficient exercise, all from the comfort of your home or office. Powered by a quiet yet powerful 2.5 HP motor, it supports up to 265 pounds with exceptional stability while operating at under 45 dB. Whether you're walking or jogging, it ensures a disruption-free workout experience ideal for shared spaces. The multifunctional display clearly tracks speed, distance, time, and calories burned, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals. A remote control with omnidirectional range provides convenient, wireless control without needing to stay close to the machine. Designed with 6 built-in shock absorbers, the TreeFlow treadmill offers a cushioned running experience that minimizes impact on your joints, supporting long-term joint health. Weighing lightly and featuring 2 front wheels, it's easy to move and comes fully assembled, requiring no setup. Its compact design makes storage simple, just slide it under a sofa, bed, or stand it against a wall. The TreeFlow walking pad combines functionality, comfort, and convenience in one sleek package,